guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're stumbling upon this video and haven't been to our channel really, my name is Kylie. I live in Okinawa, Japan with my husband, 3 kids, and 2 cats. And summer break has finally begun, and now it's countdown to our vacation. We have 4 days and 15 hours till we go to Tokyo, and we're super excited. This vlog is pretty much going to be like a get ready with me before we go to Tokyo, clean the house, pack with me. Let's get started and let's go get ready for Tokyo. So in 3 weeks we head to Tokyo and we're spending a whole week there, but the last days we're going to Disney and Disneyland. And what I'm currently working on is an itinerary of like which rides we're gonna go to, the areas. So I want to follow like this path instead of like just scrambling all over the place and walking all over the park multiple times. So my plan, which I don't know if it's like a good idea or a bad idea, but I want to head straight to Fantasy Springs when we get to Disney Sea and ride those rides that have high wait times, which I'm thinking is a bad idea because everyone's probably going to want to like head to that area. But my plan is, you know, we wait in one line, and if the other rides get high wait times, we could like purchase a DPA. We're going to be probably taking advantage of the 15 minutes that we get to go in, the 15-minute early entry, since we're staying at a Disney resort. So we're gonna have to wake up super early because our resort's kind of a ways from Disneyland and Disney Sea. That's my plan. So head to Fantasy Springs and then we'll like make our way down to like Arabian Coast, ride those rides because those ones don't have a high wait time. We're trying to avoid the rides where not all of us could ride all at the same time because one's shorter than the other. So we're kind of trying to avoid those kind of rides because it turned into tantrums back at Disney World. I'm starting to write it all out by areas and rides because once I have that and it finalized, I'm going to be typing it onto my phone so I could like check off the rides that we were able to ride. And then once I have that, if there's a ride that was on our list that we want to try and we didn't get to ride it, like towards the end of the day, we could try riding those. I'm hoping all this just falls into place and really worked because I think it will make everything so much easier. Fingers crossed it works. I'm really hoping. And the countdown has begun.
Red, please bow. Thank you very much.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same way?
We have 7 days before we go to Tokyo and I've procrastinated. I have not written down our list of like our toiletries, what we need to take, last minute things we might need to buy. I haven't really like, I pulled some of the kids' clothes out so we could pack, but I haven't really like done much, so I need to like get on it. So right now I'm just gonna write my list of like things I'm planning on taking because I know I might need some hair ties and stuff, so writing those little like Daiso trips.
You were a waste of an open bar tab, wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you.
Tomorrow I'm gonna start pulling outfits aside, packing my stuff into my carry-on, and yeah, and then we're gonna be off to Tokyo in 7 days.
I'll be the boy playing the boombox by your window pane.
I'll be the girl wearing your shirt out in the pouring rain.
This ain't a rom-com, this is real life. life, let me show you.
That was our short Pack With Me vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched the whole video, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to also subscribe because we have so much more coming up. We have our travel days, our exploring days, trying different foods, our Disneyland and Disney Sea. So you don't want to miss out. But until then, we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.